Okay, so let's start here. In my project, I have a player. You can see if I hit play here, I can move. If you don't have a player, you can see my other videos about player controller. I have one for platformer, so I will link this in the description and at the top right here. And then I have a top-down movement. I will link as well. So when you have your movement, we need some stuff. We need a canvas. So right click, UI, canvas. So the first thing you need to check is your resolution. So if you check here on my game tab, I have a 1920 by 1080. So go to my canvas and select scale with screen size. Then I put in my resolution like this. Okay, and we need a tag for the player. So select your player. If you don't have this, click here on player. Then we also need a coin. So in your project, right click, create, sprites, circle, coin. Drag this here. You can make this yellow for now. And we need a circle collider. So add circle collider. We can make this a trigger. And then we need to have a coin script. So add coin, new script, create an add. Okay, so we also need a manager for our pickups. So this will work with many other pickups if you want to add that later. So right click here and create empty. Reset this and we can say pickup manager. And we also need a script for this. So add pickup manager. Create an add. And open it up. So the easiest way to access this from our coin script is to make a public static pickup manager instance. Then we need a awake and say instance equals this. Okay, so we also need a coin text and a coin int. So up here, public text coins text. Okay, you can see it's a red line here. If you hold Alt Enter using using Unity Engine.ui. So press this. And if that didn't work for you, you just need to check so you have this here. Okay, and we need a int, public int coins. Then we want a function. So we can say public void add coin. In here we say coins plus plus, and when we add coins here and we want to update our text, we need to type this here so it updates every time we get a new coin. So you can say coins text equals coins. That's our int that we count the coins. So coins. And to make this text, we say toString. Okay, this is it for the pickup manager. If you want to pick up apples or something, you can just say public void add apple. Make the same here, like apples plus and so on. But for now we just have coins, and in the coin here we can delete this, and we say on trigger enter 2D. I like to change this to other, so it means the other game objects that collide. So if you just go back to Unity and you can select your coin, and you can see we make this a trigger. That's why we have on trigger enter 2D. So we can say if other dot compare tag player. Oops, that's why I misspelled this. Sorry. So what will happen when we collide with the coin? First of all, we need to have this function here, and by doing this we can just type pickup manager dot instance, like the instance here, and dot add coin, and this will basically go here and to this function and add the coin. So after that we can just destroy the coin, maybe destroy game object. Okay, let's test this out. Save and go back to Unity. So then we need to go to the canvas, right click, UI, text. You can rename this to coins. Double click, press this and hold Alt and Shift, press here. Double click on coin again, so you can see up here tiny. So we can make this bigger, and we can hit best fit and just resize this. So here is how many coins we have. Okay, so then we need to go to the pickup manager, select this. You can see coin text here. Just drag this here, and we can make some more coins. So if you click on your coin, Control D or right click, duplicate, you can make some coins like this. Hit play. See, 1, it destroys, 2, destroys, 3, destroys, and 4. So it's this simple, and as I show you, you can just add functions here. So public void whatever, and then just have an int for that and a text for that. So I think this is the simplest way to make a pickup manager. So hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like button and consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.